Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Danish Feta cheese. This delightful cheese is known for its creamy texture and mild flavor, making it a versatile addition to many dishes. Unlike its Greek counterpart, Danish Feta is usually crafted from cow's milk, resulting in a smoother consistency. It is surprisingly simple to make at home, and the process is quite rewarding. Let's get started on this easy guide to creating your own delicious Danish Feta. Our journey begins with 4 liters of good quality, pasteurized whole cow's milk. Gently heat the milk to precisely 30 degrees Celsius, ideally using a water bath to ensure even heating. Next, sprinkle your mesophilic starter culture over the milk's surface, allowing it to rehydrate for a few minutes before stirring it in. Also, add a 1/4 teaspoon of calcium chloride, diluted in a 1/4 cup of non-chlorinated water, mixing well. Let this mixture ripen for 1 hour, keeping the temperature steady. After the milk has ripened, it is time to add the rennet. Dilute a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid rennet in a 1/4 cup of cool, non-chlorinated water. Gently stir this solution into your milk using an up and down motion for about 1 minute, ensuring even distribution. Now, cover the pot and let the milk rest undisturbed for 1 hour, maintaining the 30 degrees Celsius temperature. This allows the milk to coagulate into a firm curd. Once firm, carefully cut the curd into 1 to 1.5 centimeter cubes. After cutting, gently stir the curds for 20 minutes, keeping the temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. This helps release more whey. Next, line your cheese baskets with a loose weave cheesecloth and carefully ladle the curds into them. Allow the curds to drain overnight, turning them occasionally. The next day, prepare an 8% salt brine using water, a 1/2 teaspoon of calcium chloride, and a tablespoon of white vinegar per gallon. Place your formed feta into this brine, ensuring it is fully submerged, and store it in the refrigerator at 4 to 5 degrees Celsius for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.